Yes guys, Brian from ELP Print back at you with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to change a color of a logo. We've got a client here that wanted to change a color from a logo that they provided as a JPEG, and the resolution wasn't that good. So today I'm going to do a video on how to change that color. Now my previous video of this, for some strange reason, got taken down for harassment and bullying, which doesn't make any sense because I'm just doing a tutorial on how to change a logo color. So I don't know, within seconds YouTube's algorithm picked it up and I appealed it and they said no. So I don't know what the reason was, why they did it, but I'm going to open up here. I'm going to try again. Maybe, you know, they didn't like the fact that I opened up Gmail. I don't know what it was, but in this case, you grab the customer's logo. As you can see, the resolution is not so good. So I'm going to drag this here, and it's really straightforward. I know it's a quick video, but you know, hopefully if you find this video helpful in any way, shape or form, please leave a like. I know a lot of you guys use Illustrator out there. You've got a lot of guru Illustrator people, but this is just note to selfie and note to a member of staff. So basically you get this eyedropper and you just dab it there, and that's it. It changes the color. As long as you've already got a vector of it, we don't need to keep asking the customer for a vector file. Once you're done here, you go save as, and then we're using Adobe Illustrator 2025, save to your computer, and then you just go boss lady new color, and I would save it as an EPS if you're going to upload it to Deco Network, which is another video. So here we go, and then we say new color. As simple as that. And now we're able to get a high-res file. I normally save down to Adobe Illustrator CS6. I know it's an old school version, but that makes the file a lot more compatible. And then you save it, and there you have it. You've got your EPS, which is now in the correct format. Up here, let's go to here. Hopefully this video won't get flagged this time, and yeah, leave a like if you found it useful. Cheers mate, bye.